despite your face, despite your nose. 17 and a half years old. Worrying about my brother finding out. Where's the fun in doing what you're told?
A couple rebel Top Gun pilots flying with nowhere to be. Don't know you super well, but I think that you might be the same as me. Behave abnormally.
Sinner, now I'll give you the rest, I can persuade you. I'm not your typical stern 18, you broke me and I'll make you. I know you're looking for salvation in the secular age, girl, I'm not your savior. We're sent to the crown, God help me now. Kids that just got.
Okay, Flash. Okay, calm down. It's a big boat. Hey, how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So today, I'm doing a picnic. Say hi. So we got some snacky snacks. We're playing this game first. Unstable Unicorns. This was Kess's pick. We're gonna do their pick first. We got some strawberry lemonade made by Kess, some fruit, rotisserie chicken sandwiches. Kess already ate theirs. We got some cookies, some Pocky, and that's pretty much it.
All right, boom.
Water going crazy.
Discard a card. Oh wait.
What?
We each discard a card and then shuffle the discard pile into the deck.
So I have to discard one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Y'all see my cards? These are so cute. And look at our unicorns.
Our baby unicorns.
These are so cute. Okay.
I don't know if I discard two.
I'll discard this one because I just pulled it.
And then we shuffle
Shuffle the discard
the
deck?
discard pile back into the deck. So,
Oh, okay.
which means we need to take out not that one, the basics. The basics.
We're just figuring this out as we go. If you guys ever played this game, let us know in the comments down below. We got this from Barnes & Nobles earlier.
My weird shuffling.
It's okay. We're not going to judge your shuffling.
Actually,
It's actually a nice day. We got here pretty late. But it's still nice outside.
Look, it's Canada.
That's Canada. Because we in Detroit. Y'all, is this dangerous? I am so scared. Why is it so close to us? We can't scare it away. Okay, let's just keep playing. Can it smell the food?
I think it can smell the food.
Should I just slowly?
Like, usually they're afraid of humans. So close.
Oh my god!
Does that mean it's probably a gopher or something?
No. Can you go for a swim? Just, it's gonna try to crawl behind me, and I'm gonna legit. Can you slowly just grab my sandwich and put it in the basket? Oh my gosh! There's nothing here, sir. There's nothing here, sir. Oh. Okay, you a punk. All right. I thought you was a attacker. You a punk. There's nobody to help us. We're social distancing. There's someone over there. And there's people over here just watching us get
attacked.
Scared.
Watch us get attacked by the gopher.
Bye.
Bye, friend.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, it's your turn.
All right. Yes. Oh, you can barely see me. Come on, focus. Give me some lights. Yes. So, Kess won because Kess cheated.
I did not cheat.
Kess cheated.
You just didn't want to use your net cards.
See, it's like Uno. When you play Uno, you want to keep that draw forward. That's what I do. I keep my good ones until I lose. So next we're gonna play If You Had To. So this is my choice of games that we picked out. I'm gonna put y'all like down here. Okay, that's just a thing.
The instructions?
It's not instruction. Wait, is it? Oh, it opens. Okay, classic rules. Everyone in the group is dealt 5 cards. The most attractive person is judge. What? Each player then plays a card face down that they think the judge would least want to do. The judge turns over and reads the card aloud. Each player then makes their case. It's basically like apples to apples.
I like how you got a game that needs 3 people.
We don't have a judge.
I got a game that needs 2 people. And I believe you.
Can we just make up our own rules?
I guess.
I think we should do it like we each get 10 cards instead of 5, and like we ask each other back to back. Which one would you rather do? I wish we had a judge, but whatever. Freaking raccoon looking thing could have been our judge. Is that better?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Have hooves or your inner thoughts are now announced through a loudspeaker. I'd rather have hooves.
Exactly, so mine's the worst one.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Ready? Anytime anyone sneezes, they must do it in your face. Ew!
You must projectile vomit every time you spend money.
Would you rather vomit every time you spend money or every time somebody else's sneeze? They have to be in your
Anytime
face?
anyone sneezes, they must do it in your face.
I'd rather throw up every time I spend money. Can I like hold it in? Can I like get my receipt in my
No,
bag
it's projectile vomit. So
But-
it has to like...
Yeah, but can I get my receipt in my Gucci purse first?
I mean,
And then
you could
do it-
buy online.
I'd rather buy it online.
And then projectile vomit.
I feel so bad for people who work at gas stations have to like
Yeah,
clean
so
up.
I still win.
No?
Mine's the worst one.
Dang. 3, 2, 1. No more bathing or both your parents are porn stars. That doesn't mean you have to watch.
Yeah, but
I just-
everybody has seen your parents.
But I don't have to.
True. But then we're like, oh my god, you're the daughter of that porn star?
Like,
oh my
yeah.
god. You're trying to get into the book industry. It's like, oh my god, I know your parents. I watch them every Friday night.
That's when you change your name and and then people are just like, oh, you look like the daughter of the porn stars.
Yeah, but yeah, I can't not bathe, so that's
Yes!
disgusting.
No more bathing. I don't have any good ones. Now they're starting to dwindle. That was my only good
I know,
one.
yeah, they're starting to dwindle. Maybe every time we play, we should like pick
one?
up. Yeah,
Okay.
we're just like redoing this.
So funny. Okay. Okay. 3, 2. Give birth to an evil alien who will cause the downfall of humanity. No, that's a spawn of Satan.
I've seen a movie like this called Idle Hands.
Your left
And
hand.
it was hilarious.
Your left
honestly.
hand hates you and randomly tries to kill you.
Yeah, I've seen a movie like that.
Imagine you can't sleep at night because you don't.
Y'all not. Y'all be any more.
Just go.
options?
You got the wrong clothes on anyway.
You got that wrong.
You and your daddy just leave, please.
Get your daddy pull
Are
up.
they parking? They take out this on the park. Anyway, what I was saying was, imagine you just can't sleep at night because your left hand just has a knife.
Yeah. That was the movie. He had to cut off his hand, and then he put it in the microwave to try and kill it.
The
But it
microwave.
didn't work. And then it crawled out, and then it went to go kill people. And it tried to kill this girl that he wanted to screw.
Why don't you just put your hand in the oven?
You can't close it. He cut his hand off.
Yes, then put it in the oven.
It still didn't work.
The microwave wouldn't work, but the oven will.
I mean,
Burn it alive.
irregardless, you
I
couldn't
wouldn't-
kill it without like a special.
I wouldn't
thing.
bury it because it will just crawl out.
Yeah, but he couldn't kill it without a special like thing. It was a scary movie, so you know it had to have like Latin. in
I'm
it.
talking about right now.
Oh, just cut it off and stab it.
If I'm aware that my baby,
That means you have to kill your baby, but you're the only one that knows it. What it like? So you're a baby killer, and now you have to go to jail
But
for
if I'm-
killing a baby.
but if I'm aware beforehand No one has to know that I'm pregnant.
No, you give birth.
I think yours is worse.
Yeah, but I'd still be okay with it.
I would be so paranoid not trusting my lefty. Like I'm already
Just cut your hand off.
You said it like it's so easy just to slice your limbs. Relive the same day over and over. It depends what day. It doesn't say it would be good or bad. Be replaced in your friend group.
Yeah, but you just do that every single day for the rest of your life.
If I
Can't do anything different. It has to be that every single day.
If I pick a certain,
Eating the same thing.
If I-
Doing the same thing. Talking to the same people.
if I get to pick the day, then I'll survive. It has to be the best day ever. Hashtag SpongeBob.
Even if it's the best, like, if you never, okay, so like, think about it like this. Say it's like the first day of school, like, of your college career. You have to do that every single day. So that means, like, if you didn't talk to me or your dad, that means you can never talk to us again.
I ain't gonna put a dark twist on everything.
That means you can never eat anything except what you ate on that day ever again. So, like, if you didn't sleep for that whole day,
You just never sleep.
which happens,
You just never sleep.
you're never sleeping again.
Okay. Or be replaced by someone pretending to be you.
But nothing's happening to you. I'd be fine.
If you just see me hanging out with a fake you,
Yeah.
you're not gonna say anything or do
Nope.
anything.
I'll be off in, like, London.
And I'll just be hanging out with a fake you.
You won't know. I don't know how you wouldn't know, but you won't know.
I would know. Have an upside down face. Doesn't somebody on like Family Guy have that?
I think so. I
That
don't know.
child
I
let
think so.
drunk old people play dominoes on your naked
That
body.
is disgusting. I would never. That's gross. Get away from me. Don't touch me. Don't look at me. Don't sniff me.
Don't sniff.
Don't think about me. Don't say my name.
So you rather have an upside down face
Hell yeah.
than have old people play games on your body?
I would never.
I would be fine with
You would let drunk old people play dominoes on your naked body.
I can't. I'd rather that than have an upside down face.
I'd rather have an upside down face.
Okay, I won. Cool, something. You have the cure for cancer, but if you tell anyone, your family will be eaten alive by carpenter ants.
I'm like, part of me thinks you would, like, be okay with that, honestly.
Why they gotta be eaten alive though?
I'm like, terrible. Like, if you loved your family, then that would be terrible. But, like,
But you'll be saving
you're kind of
billions.
iffy on your family, so, like,
You'll be saving billions of people plus next generations to come.
exactly.
My family got to get eaten by ants. Can I pick who? Does it mean everybody?
What?
What does it mean?
No, it means your, I think, immediate family. So whoever you live with.
They gotta get ate. You didn't watch Harry Potter?
So, like, I don't really know how bad of a baddie he is. So I
He's-
kind of don't have a reference scale.
How do you not watch Harry Potter?
Like, I know about it. Is he like Thanos? Is he like torturing infants? Is he like Loki? Because, like, I'd be Loki's BFF.
I mean, he tried to kill a kid and instead put a scar on his face.
Yeah, but like...
So it's either would you
And if
rather?
you're his BFF, you get all the perks.
So it's either would you rather be Voldemort's best friend, or have the
Or have your family dead.
or have your family get eaten by ants because you have the cure for cancer?
I mean, I wouldn't want my mom eaten alive, so...
You only have to worry about one person. I gotta worry about 3.
I wouldn't want my mom eaten alive.
So that's the worst one.
This is so confusing because, like, they're both on the same level because I can weasel my way out of this. I'd tell her, I'd be like, so I have the cure for cancer, but I can't tell you.
No, you can't
like,
tell anyone.
I do it in, like, a roundabout way. I'd be like, so, like, if I can, like, stop world hunger, but you had to die a painful death, which would you choose? And
She'll
then
be so
whatever they
confused.
decide, that's what I do. But, like, either way, I'm okay.
I think it's a tie.
So we'll just put this off to the side.
I think it's a tie. That's so bad.
How much should we start with?
It does not matter. It's only 2 of us.
Uno.
Loreal!
Fuck.
Yes! see all the excitement from me. You'll play again or no?
Okay.
Wanna out? Finally! Something I'm. Skip you. Get back to me. First back to me. Drop 4. Close red. Wanna out?
One moment I was tearing off your blouse, now you're living in my house. What happened to you just messing around?
No wow.
Let's let things come out of the woodwork. I give you my best, I tell you all my best lies. See me rolling, showing someone else love. Hands under your t-shirt, no one think you're awesome. So let's let things come out of the woodwork. I give you my best, I tell you all my best lies. See me rolling, showing someone else love. Hands under your t-shirt, no one think you're awesome.
I hope you guys like that pretty chill video. That's what I did today.
Time to drink.
We're gonna chill, probably drink a little bit, eat some more food. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. If you guys want more vlogs, let me know. But yeah, bye. Bye.